Hello, today we're going to be going over the steps for how to create a Kyocera scan-to-email address book entry and how to set up the SMTP server information. Open an internet browser, type the IP address of the copier into the address bar and press enter. Click Address Book, Machine Address Book. Click Add. Type in the name of the user whose email is being entered, then enter the user's email address. After creating the new email destination, you will click OK to complete the entry. Since nothing was created, the Submit button was not clicked. Next, add the new email destination as a one-touch key. Click Settings, Address Book. Then after selecting the destination from the address book, click Submit to create the one-touch key. Now we will configure the SMTP server settings. So click Login, then Admin Login. In order to configure the SMTP email server settings, you will need to log in as the administrator. If you do not have the administrator password, please contact the Dex Imaging Help Desk or your internal IT to continue. Select Function Settings, Email. Before proceeding, you must have the following information available: the SMTP email server hostname, the port number being used, and finally an active email address and the password used to log into it, if required. If you do not have this information, you must acquire it from your IT or email server administrator. Enter the hostname of the email server and the port number. Most, if not all, modern email servers require a login to be utilized. Enable Authentication Protocol, select Other, and the email address will be the user ID, then enter the password used to log into that mailbox. This must be a valid active email mailbox in order to be used. If the email server requires authentication, you will need to enable it under Protocol. Make sure to click Submit before selecting Protocol so the information you entered is saved. Scroll down and enable SMTP security. Keep in mind this varies depending on the email server. After enabling the security protocol, you will click Submit. Since nothing was enabled, the Submit button was not clicked. You must click the Restart/Reset link at the bottom of the page for the settings to take effect. Click Restart Network to reboot the internal network card so the protocol changes will take effect. After the Restart Network action completes, go to Function Settings, Email. Scroll down and enter the sender address. This must match the email address that was used as the login if your mail server requires authentication. After entering the SMTP server information, you will click Submit to complete the entry. Click the Test button. If there is an error message after clicking the Test button, please verify the SMTP server settings. Click Log Out to exit administrator mode. Finally, go to the copier and test the scan-to-email settings using the destination that you created. If the job fails and you get an error message, please contact the Dex Imaging Help Desk and they will assist you with troubleshooting the issue. This concludes the tutorial for how to create Kyocera scan-to-email address book entry and how to set the SMTP server information. Thank you for choosing Dex Imaging and please subscribe to our channel.